Let's dive into basic formulas in Excel, starting with calculating the sum of 3-month salaries. The first method is straightforward: type an equals, then click on the first cell containing a salary, add a plus, click on the second cell, add another plus, click on the third cell, and then press enter. Excel will calculate the sum instantly. Another method involves using the sum function. Type an equals, then type sum, open parentheses, select the first cell, add a comma, select the second cell, add another comma, select the third cell, close parentheses, and press enter. Excel will compute the sum using this function. Lastly, you can simply type sum, open parentheses, select the range of cells containing the salaries, and close parentheses. Press enter, and Excel will calculate the sum for you. For additional cells, you can drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, across the adjacent cells to quickly find the sum from multiple rows or columns. To calculate the average salary in Excel using different methods. The first method involves typing an equals, then typing average, selecting the first cell containing a salary, adding a comma, selecting the second cell, adding another comma, selecting the third cell, and then pressing enter. Excel will display the average of these values. Alternatively, you can type an equals, type average, open parentheses, select the range of cells containing the salaries, and then close parentheses. Press enter, and Excel will calculate the average for you. To apply this calculation to additional rows or columns, simply drag the fill handle,